Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. On say asemo ya meka no. Eya na Melodies ye ka SEO Melodies so dey say Melodies so dey say. One thing and it's a Kennedy Japan we mrashe bedwani. They make the laws. Na wo bia wo ye mrashe bedwani no, he should know the law. Enyama bi wo ho a eni kwan se wo ye. Na nsen ye wo ho na Kennedy Japan ba bonten ebedi judge bi atem. Na nini na ene se Kennedy Japan se asase ho nsem bi ena se judge no wa kwa akodi ama eye Kennedy Japan's opponent inti Kennedy Japan no eka se judge no wajimi o se judge no stupid wa kwasia ebe threaten judge no say he will deal with him nin sem bebre etiefo in this country laws na Kennedy Japan omo share embrashe bedwafie ho a omo ye no the laws empower say you can't do that to the judges, otherwise you'll be caught for contempt. And now Menoka said the breaking news coming and they say ya chicken the Japan for contempt. And that is what 3 News, a TV3 4 website no wa more reported. In turn I'm sure that the website story no atumu nim me read that tremo na ye hu say enye Melodies na eye boapo because na say me sisa na me here. Because me hu ne say Kennedy Japan asemba eye na nkrofo ka ase the Melodies mia na me kofa story no troye. Inti Kennedy Japan story ba na me hu be dia story no efri a me de beba betum anim na me reading no word to word no be hu say oh Melodies we dey enfri. And now no story bi ba say Kennedy Japan aye U10 embra wo bedi anas attempt say wo expose Kennedy Japan aye U10 no. And also say me the story no betum anim say and I me read the story no tremo. Even after that people called me and were telling me say adena what can say story never Kennedy Japan was a me na me true story no and I make say in China na say my imagine say any Kennedy Japan story be a baby no me the article no betum anim and you guys will know say this article is not from me. I am reading from 3 News. TV3 4 one more article one more aye into no that is what I am doing right now. What's your story now? Was say judge summons Kennedy Japan for calling him stupid. Judge no aton safre Kennedy Japan watching for contempt. Say Kennedy Japan within attempt. Because yes, it is against the laws of this country. So asem wo court. Na oba ebesi radio so TV so na wo kasa na wo di judge na atem. Ya pre ase who opened asem ne enye ndi wie ye ba open tebebu atem di judge no atem. So oba kan ya Ghana ha se nkofo a ye chi omo for contempt ni ano. It was similar. Obi to say Hobson Adoye embra na election 2012 election petition na ekoso no. Obi to say may he so rest in peace Sir John. Wo mo ni na ye chi omo no it was for contempt because asem wo court and na omo di judge na tem. So mo obi ehun ne say ade we ya ade bia eye new and mo obi ehun ne say it is an attack on Kennedy Japan's person. He's a lawmaker. He knows say it is against the law. Kennedy Japan's lawyers even know say no, it is against the law. So obekwa ko tina radio so asem a e court na wo tina radio so e di judge atem. That means you are inciting the people against the judge. So this is the article right in front of you. As a member of parliament for Asen Central, Asen Central constituency, Kennedy Ohine Japan has been summoned by High Court Judge Amos Wunta Wuni for contempt. Kennedy Japan is said to have scandalized and threatened the judge, by extension, the court, in an ongoing land case. Inti wehu asem ne yendi wie o. E na Kennedy Japan de be see TV so a na wo ka sansem na fa judge ne ho. On say eya asem a meka ne say Kennedy Japan threaten crofo kan sem afa crofo ho a mo do no no e wo say mo ka tre ne say oh ken ye sre. On say waka afi wo de akwa akopie judge so ama judge na che for contempt. me to me baby maybe a story naba say oh Melodies this is the story aba e wo Kennedy Japan so me Melodies me ko report here na akwa say oh Melodies so na won pe Kennedy Japan asem oh the story be a say na we try about Kennedy Japan. Meanwhile, I am not the person who did the thing. Me to one a story now, but I am just reporting. But those of you who claim to love Kennedy Japan, nanka wo ye nyama bi wo kasa e threaten ordinary people. Nanka ni na mo kan o ken jayo. Na one day obekwa akoka ama akopie baby a trese ano be ye den a. Can me make sure say Kennedy Japan. Because they be aware he goes scot free. They be aware he goes scot free. Asem e wo court. Now we are Mrashe Bedwe ni wunim say asem wo court aye nyanya bi. Now still what about bontin arbitrating judge no. Obviously you be caught for contempt. So this shouldn't be something Nkrofo be blame the judge or Nkrofo be blame way. It is Kennedy Japan himself. He knows what he was doing and he did it. But let's see how this issue actually pans out. I say on Wednesday, September 2nd, the lawmaker had threatened to petition the Chief Justice over a judgment given without his knowledge. I say on a program on Net2 TV, Kennedy Japan called the judge stupid for delivering judgment when he was unaware of the case, despite being the jury owner of the land for 18 years. You see, sir, in some way na ye kano, Kennedy Japan has a point. Kennedy Japan has a point in the sense say, me baby, na me nim say ye de me court. Muni baby a me wo. Na mo amba me serve me sermons. Ama manfa me lawyer anko court anko represent me. Na me te ho am say ye de me anko court na ye bu asem na tia me. Obviously I'll not be happy. But as an honorable like Kennedy Japan, what you do is say, yes, you've said say you petition the Chief Justice. And you just need to go ahead and do that. You just need to speak to your lawyers and go ahead and petition the Chief Justice. You don't come out and threaten the judge. You don't come out and do that. And you know, yes, eto de bia own. Kennedy Japan has a point in some of the cases, but the way he goes about it, no, and a man asks him, a Korea chia, and ask him, assay. Ubedi Adansia, this very year, Kennedy Japan in a lot of court cases. Nini nano, enkoye mano. This year, when your court cases be brave, Nini na osha enkoye mano. Ken needs to be very careful with the way he speaks. Sometimes he has the right to speak. Sometimes anger, before and the case answer no. But to the bia attend the day and the threats no. Any kwan say bem kra. To the bia hu hia tem the day and the threats na hu hia. I have people who tell me say they support Kennedy Japan. The only thing they don't like about him senior wodi atem. Me have told you, aside Kennedy Japan wodi atem and aside everything else no. One thing I like about him about business and the benevolence. On the warrior papa and our business asem there and yes, I support him. But some politics in Yamana wodi atem na wo threaten nipa no you say no. Today, he has sent it to the judge. Or the court judge, so. And assembly baby ababe pieni. Yanti as was say in same way na Kennedy Japan kan was say you are a stupid judge. I will face you. Asema Kennedy Japan kan no. I am not asked to take bribe from you. Asema work no. I will deal with you. Kennedy Japan can so obey deal with the judge. Intino judge na to nsa frɛ no say contempt. So he is to appear Monday ya 10 a.m. Kennedy Japan is to appear. Intino judge no issue warrants for Kennedy Japan. Judge no will issue warrants for Kennedy Japan. Into here I will say on Wednesday the judge issued into entire asemu And then the judge issued a warrant for the New Patriotic Party MP to appear on Monday, September 14th at 10 a.m. He's expected to show cause why he should not be severely punished for contempt if the matters are proven against him to the satisfaction of the court. In the Monday, I was at court. Na court the entire any can say you for contempt. Na you heard the ABC. Let's see whether Japan will go on Monday or what will happen. We wait, but that's the story coming through. It, I just read the story for you. Mo bianco tina baby because the melodies. Adena wo cancer on story ways a story na me de brebo. Nyame na my true story no. Monko TV3 for her. If you feel say this story any kwan say e ba bontia, monko TV3 for her. Na monko bi so mo say adena mo true story say. It is something that has happened and I'm just updating you guys. Mon try mo comment box to motive for me that say.